Go to page 265 for general settings. All right, go to menu. Menu. Setup. All right. All right. General. Clock. What happened to the old-fashioned, the two fucking buttons? You hit the buttons for hours and minutes. No, you gotta work for fucking NASA to change the clock. Because of this daylight saving times bullshit. I change struts, I could change spark plugs, I could change a tire, I could do a lot of shit, but to change a fucking simple thing like a clock. You know what? Fuck it. I'll just use my phone to tell the fucking time.